Okay guys, welcome to my garage again. So today I'm going to be showing you guys quickly how to replace an expansion tank on 07 to 09 Jaguar Xkrs. It's a relatively simple mechanical procedure, but you kind of need to know what you're doing. So as you can see, I got oh, by the way, what happens on these is with time these connections just deteriorate and fail. So it's a pretty common thing to replace on our cars at around, I would say, 70,000 miles. Anyways, okay, so I got these hoses disconnected, and the bottom hose almost done. So the bottom of this expansion tank has like a slide, and it's slides on and then it kind of locks into place. The problem is this bar is in the way. Okay, so you need to unbolt the two bolts that hold the bar and get like a heavy duty screwdriver and hold this up, hold this bar up, and then you will be able to push the expansion tank inside, and that will unlock it, and then you will be able to raise it up. Because otherwise you're going to be just, if you don't unbolt this and put it up, you're going to be stuck messing around with this for a long time, and will not be able to let it will not be able to bring it up. So it's that's that. And obviously drain the coolant, and after you refill, make sure you bleed the system. There's a bleeder screw right here, and there's another, don't forget about this one, there's another bleeder screw right here on the top of the supercharger. It does require a unique bolt, so, or key there, or whatever you call it, wrench. But anyways, that is after, but that is how you replace the expansion tank. Oh, one thing I was gonna say regarding the expansion tank is make sure you guys reuse your old 120 kPa pressure cap, because the new ones come with 140 kPa, which is for newer cars and that are meant for a little bit more pressure. I would not risk over pressurizing the system to 140 kPa, which new caps are rated at. And of course you can buy a new 120 kPa cap. I myself actually run a Ford matching cap, which is 110 kPa, because my car runs plenty cool since I have the lower temperature thermostat and cooling fan programming to kick on earlier and work a little bit harder. So, but that's a different subject. Anyways, that is how you replace expansion tank on 07 to 09's Jaguar Xkrs.